All right, folks, we're doing some bending on it. Howdy, howdy. Part 2. I'm trying to get it bent up a little bit, but I need it up against the crusher. I don't think I can steer it up here from there. Let's try to get it turned somehow. There we go. All right, I'm just gonna try to roll it up there. All right. Well, what we got is a camper trailer here. We flipped it over, knocked all the stuff off, ripped it off, and now we got to get inside that crusher. All right, we got to fold that way. We'll have to keep pushing on it. We're going to have to fold it back too. Oh, it's going sideways on me. See how the metal's, I wanted it to fold just straight flat, but ain't always get what you want out here. You gotta take what it'll give you. It'll probably work out better having that over like that, because when I go to pick it up, I need something to go through. The forks aren't long enough to go all the way across. There we go. It's going in that crusher. Don't count on it. I done said I could do it. Said I would do it. Driver's waiting on me to call and say, hey, I did it. So I got to get it done. No biggie. Let me go ahead and move this bundle. That way we don't tear it up or get caught on it. Or hope everybody's doing all right. We actually got another job. So I appreciate everybody's fingers crossed, and thank everybody for good vibes and good thoughts. And we've been keeping it going. Oh, there's a big old chunk of concrete right there. This is going to be the only deal if I can get up in here without tearing. So you want it to fold without tearing that other stuff at the end of your forks. See, it tore out. Now we're kind of, well, I ain't saying we're screwed, but we're gonna have to do something else with it. Maybe go at an angle, try to catch a hold of them beams at an angle so you can get it to start turning. Woo! Golly, I was worried about that. You know what else we can do? We get it up against the crusher and we can just push on it. If I can pick the stupid thing up. Yeah, I done said I'd do it. Everybody's waiting on me to do it, including y'all. Mario said, watch out, bro. Something under your tire. I'm backing up. Okay, I got you. Appreciate it for looking out for me, dude. A couple of jacks, the leveling jacks. They broke off. Maybe we just start shoving on that tire. What y'all think will happen? On the wheel. You gotta love that. We got one side pushed in, and this one I think we can just, come on, give it up. I don't know, I'm just putting that fork right on the end of it, but I could probably put it in between the forks. There it is. I told y'all that stupid thing was going in this crusher. But don't make a bigger mess. You already got the work done. See? Right there. Once again, Cowboy putting too much cream on the taco. We had the work done. We had it done. I get it almost in there, but then we'll get it picked up in a second. All right, let's get it in there. We did the work. Ain't nothing but a thing. Now, let's see if we can get it in there. There ain't a whole lot to get a hold of. We don't even want to pick up like that. Easy, easy. There we go. There we go. Back up. Oh, we got them stupid stairs on the other side. There it goes. There ain't no meat. There ain't no potatoes. It's just bones. And then you got another wheel. We tried catching it on this side, but they're just saying, get it in there, just get it in. Sorry, folks. I'm so sorry to waste y'all's time. Everybody be quiet, be cool. Everybody be cool. Nobody move, nobody flinch. Ooh. Now, hopefully, some of that metal will squish down in there and give me something to pick up on. I guess some wheels are just going to hang off. It's them stairs, I bet. Them steps to get in this thing. All right. Dang, so sorry. All right, here we go. Crush flat. Well, we did our part. All right, push stop. Start shoving that junk in there. Anything sticking out of the crusher will stick out going down the road. Thought that happened. What's this deal right here? Oh, we just added a piece of junk to the crusher. Let's see if I can get this pushed in a little bit more. Working out like I meant for it to happen. There's some luck out here, folks. I promise. All right. That's it. We have done this little job out here. I'm not going to fool with putting anything else on it. We'll just put it on the truck and oh, dang it. Everything's got a sweet spot. You just got to find it. Come on now. You can do this. You're a big boy. You're a big boy. You can do this. Look who's the big boy. It'll probably fall out when I pick the stupid thing up. All right, folks. We did it. We're done with this little job. It's been fun. It was easy crushing. It's just tight. It was easy crushing. Hopefully it'll somehow get just all wedged in there. All right. I'll be careful, be kind. Thank ya.